Welcome to the future of work jobs AI can and can't replace. Today I'll dive into how AI is reshaping the job market. Let's explore which roles are at risk and which remain safe. First, let's look at AI-powered jobs. Imagine a factory floor. Robots are assembling products with unmatched precision and speed, and manufacturing has been automated for efficiency. In offices, AI algorithms automate data entry. Spreadsheets are filled in a blink. Routine data tasks are streamlined by AI. Picture an online customer service chat. An AI responds instantly and accurately. AI in customer support offers instant, scalable responses. Now, let's shift to human-centered jobs. In healthcare, nurses and doctors interact with patients, showing empathy and care. Compassion in healthcare is irreplaceable. Creatives, from designers to filmmakers, rely on unique creativity and intuition. Creative fields are fueled by imagination. Teachers adapt to the needs of each student, building a human connection and learning. Education thrives on adaptability. Next, let's see which jobs are at risk and which are safe. On one side, basic data entry, cashier work, and repetitive assembly line roles are at risk. On the other, social workers, therapists, and highly creative roles are safer. AI-powered tools assist rather than replace workers in roles like engineering and research. How does AI augment jobs? Think of a doctor using an AI diagnostic tool. AI enhances accuracy but doesn't replace the doctor. Managers use AI-driven insights to make strategic decisions with real-time data visualizations. AI is a tool that enhances human expertise. Preparing for the future is crucial. Visualize diverse workers learning new skills from coding to creative problem-solving. Adaptability, lifelong learning and creativity are future-proof skills. Picture a classroom or an online learning platform where people of all ages are upskilling. To wrap up, imagine different workplaces connected by a digital network. The job market is changing and the future of work is here. How will you adapt? Subscribe for more insights into AI and the future of work. Subtitle: Adaptability, lifelong learning and creativity are the future-proof skills. As we move forward, it's essential to understand that AI is not just a replacement, but a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities. By leveraging AI, we can enhance productivity and innovation across various sectors. Embracing AI and continuous learning will be key to thriving in the evolving job market. The future of work is not just about survival, but about seizing new opportunities and creating a more efficient, innovative, and inclusive workplace. So, let's embrace the change and prepare ourselves for a future where humans and AI work hand in hand. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep learning. The future is bright for those who are ready to evolve. Remember, the key to success in the future of work lies in our ability to adapt, learn, and innovate continuously. Let's look forward to a future where AI and human ingenuity come together to create a better world for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of work. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and the evolving job market. Together, we can navigate the future of work and create a world where technology and humanity thrive together.